Opening statements were presented today in the trial of former Mayor Jim Hayes. The prosecution stated that they expect to convict Hayes on several counts of money laundering and misappropriation of grant funds. The government said that while the church Lily of the Valley was constructing a new building, they ran out of funds as early as November 2001. They alleged that to continue construction, Chris Hayes wrote a $40,000 check from Love Social Services to the church's bank account, the first of many she would write over the next few years. The prosecution presented copies of checks written to the bank account or directly to a contractor or vendor involved in the construction of the church. This money, totaling over $400,000, came from grants provided to Love Social Services. In the defense's opening statements, they argued that checks were written by Chris Hayes, but not by Jim. Any check received by Jim Hayes to use for the church had to be approved by Chris Hayes and another administrator of Love Social Services. While questioning the first witness, the prosecution focused on the excessively extravagant use of money in church construction by the pastor. Also, evidence revealed that Love Social Services paid for the flooring of the gymnasium in the church. However, the defense established that the social service frequently used the gymnasium in their after-school programs. In this first day of testimony and evidence, it is clear that the prosecution cannot assume victory. It has the challenge of proving beyond a reasonable doubt that Jim Hayes knew the criminal method with which funds were acquired by Chris Hayes. For KXD News 13, I'm Micah Johnson.